Hare Krishna, a very warm welcome to all the devotees. And today uh, we are going to do a small session on rules of Sanskrit meters, Chand Vidhan. And the topic we are taking is Pushpitagra Chand. So, this is part of our Srimad Bhagavatam study program. As you know, we have started this Srimad Bhagavatam study uh, project to study Srimad Bhagavatam deeply. And while studying Srimad Bhagavatam, we come across various Sanskrit verses, and sometimes we find difficulty reciting and singing those Sanskrit verses. So, in order to facilitate the understanding how to recognize these verses, how to recognize the meters in these verses, we have started this initiative of understanding rules of Sanskrit meters, and this is in short known as Chand Vidhan. So, today we are going to do a detailed study on one of the chandas known as Pushpitagra. Why we are taking this chanda? Because it is used in the Bhishma Stuti prayers. So in Canto 9, starting from verse number 32, Bhishma Dev starts to do some prayers for Lord Krishna before departing from this world. And that those prayers are written in the meter called Pushpitagra. So as we are presently studying Canto 1 of Srimad Bhagavatam, we have learned, memorized 16 verses from Canto 1. We have completed that. Now we wanted to do more on Canto 1, so we want to extend our uh, study on Canto 1 on this Pushpitagrachan, which is somewhat unusual meter used in Sanskrit literature. So we'll start with the brief prayers on Srimad Bhagavatam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं मुदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेष्व भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तमश्लोके भक्तेर्भवति नैष्ठिकी कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. So let us start the discussion. What you now see on the screen is the 32nd verse of the 9th chapter of the first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. And this is the starting of the Bhishma Stuti, the prayers of Lord Bhishma Dev for Lord Krishna. So, if I have to recite these verses, it will be something like this: Shri Bhishma Uvacha इति मतिरूपकल्पिता वितृष्णा भगवती सात्वत पुङ्गवे विभूम्नि स्वसुखमुपगते क्वचिद् विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भवा प्रवाह. So this is the way, one way to sing this Bhishma Stuti. And if you learn this melody of how to sing this Bhishma Stuti, you can actually copy the same melody to the other following verses, like 33, 34, and so on in Bhishma Stuti. So, this meter in which this prayer has been written is known as Pushpitagra. So, let us have a little more uh, detailed understanding of the meter called Pushpitagra, and then we will come back to once again in singing this Bhishma Stuti, this very first verse. So, few things about Pushpitagra meter. So far, the meters that we have studied in our study of Srimad Bhagavatam. So, the very first meter that we study was Shardul Vikridit. The very first verse of Srimad Bhagavat is written in Shardul Vikridit meter. Then we also study about Manda Kranta, Drut Vilambit, then Anushtup, then we study Trishtup. Uh, in Trishtup, there are several types: Indra Vajra, Upendra Vajra, then Indra Vamsha, Upendra Vamsha, Indra Vamsha, Upendra Vamsha, like that. So, Vamshastra, and so on. So these are several different type of meters, several different type of chandas that we have studied in Srimad Bhagavatam. And all of these meters that we have studied in Bhagavatam so far have one thing in common. And what is that one thing in common? That different sections, like there are 4 sections in one verse, in Sanskrit we call them charan. In different charans, or in different sections of each of these uh, verses, the number of syllables remain the same. First, second, third, fourth, the number of syllables in each of these sections remain the same. So for example, in Anushtup Chand it is 8, in Shardul Vikridit it is 19 syllable, in Trishtup Chand it is 11 syllable, like that. So these are the number of syllables remain the same in each of the sections. But in Pushpitagra meter, we find that the number of syllables are not same in every section. So they are different. And these type of meters are known as Ardha Samvritta Chanda. Like you see here, I have written Ardha Samvritta Chanda. So uh, the meters that we have studied so far are known as Samvritta Chanda. Samvritta. But this meter Pushpitagra is not Samavritta, it is Ardha Samavritta, meaning that not all the sections have the same number of syllables. So why Ardha Samavrit? Half uh, uh, Ardha Samavrit means that first and the third section of the meter have the same number of syllable. Second and fourth section of the meter have same syllable. So going back, now you know how to count the number of syllables. So if you want to count the number of syllable, count the syllable in first section. Maybe Jivan Prabhu can count on behalf of the class. How many syllables, Prabhuji?
I
Well,
already counted,
Madam.
Prabhu. Yeah. 12, 13, 12, 13. I already
Okay,
counted.
okay.
Ika, Mata, Ru,
5,
Pa,
6, 7, 8,
Ta,
9,
Ta,
10, 11, 12. Hmm?
12.
So the rule that we follow in counting syllable is that the half syllable we don't count. Like in this case, the la letter is actually half. Similarly, the sh alphabet is also half. So we don't count la and sha. Otherwise, we count everything as full. So E1, 2, T2, ma 3, T4, like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the first line has 12 syllable. The second line does not have 12 syllable. Let us see how many syllable it has. So bha, ga, va. So 1, 2, 3. T is 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you will find that first line is 12 syllable, second line is 13 syllable. Now let us see how many we have in the third line. Third line will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the third line has 12 syllable. Similarly, the fourth line: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is why it is known as Ardha Samavrat. Samavrat means every section, 1, 2, 3, 4, every section of the verse have the same number of syllable, but it is Ardha Samavrat. Ardha Samavrat means uh, half the verse has actually a number of syllables which is equal to 25, and then the rest half is also having 25. What it means is that the first and the third actually have same number of syllables, which is 12 in this case. Then second and fourth have same number of syllable, which is 13 in this case. So this is the definition of Ardha Samavrat meter. So there are 3 type of meters. One is Samavrat Chand, in which each section have same number of syllable. Then the second type is Ardha Samavrat. Ardha Samavrat means first, third same, and then the second and fourth will have the same. Then we have Vishamavrat. Vishamavrat is the third type, in which neither of the sections of the words have same number of syllable. So first, second, third, fourth, each section of the verse will have different number of syllables. That is called Vishamavrat. But typically we have studied Samavrat so far, but now introducing to you a new type which is known as Ardha Samavrat, and Pushpitagra falls in that category. So what it means is that first section will have 12, second will have 13, third will have 12, and fourth will have 13. So 25 plus 25, 50 syllables in all. So Pushpitagra will have 50 syllables in all. Now we study the characteristics of Pushpitagra Chand. Hmm? So the characteristic of Pushpitagra Chand can be understood by studying these two lines. This is something like which is like a formula which explains what are the characteristics of the Pushpitagra meter. Now I will recite this. Ayujina yugre fato yakaro yuji chana jau jargash pushpitagra. Ayujina yugre fato yakaro yuji chana jau jargash pushpitagra. So this is how I sang the Pushpitagra meter in the beginning of the class in one melody. And I'm singing this characteristic or formula of Pushpitagra meter in slightly different melody. So you can understand that these are two different melodies in which Pushpitagra meter can be sung. The second type, when I'm reciting it, this is somewhat short. Ayujina yugare fato yakaro yuji chana jau jargascha pushpitagra. This is one melody. And going back to the original melody that I sang in the beginning of the class. इति मतिरूपकल्पिता वितृष्णा भगवती सात्वत पुङ्गवे विभूम्नि स्वसुखमुपगते क्वचिद्विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भव प्रवाह. So this is another melody. So there are two different melodies which you can use to sing Pushpitagra meter. Now coming back to the characteristic. Characteristic means what are the different, uh, I would say, salient features of this Pushpitagra Chand. So first line tells about Ayuji Nayuga Re Phato Yagaro Yuji Cha Najau Jaragascha Pushpitagra. What actually it means is IUG and UG. So you see these two words, IUG and UG. So IUG actually means odd number and UG means even number. IUG means that odd number sections of the chand or the meter will have these characteristics. And what are the characteristics? It will be like Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, and Yagan. Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, and Yagan. I will explain you what Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, and Yagan would mean. Although some of those devotees who have attended our previous class will know what are these, but will explain you once again. So Nagan, 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 Nagan means Na Yuga, Na Yuga. Yug means two. So Na stands for Nagan. Nagan. So there are two Nagans, which is Nagan, Nagan, and then Re. Re actually stands for Ragan. Na Yug Re. Ragan, and Re Fato Yakaro Ya. So this Ya actually stands for Yagan. So the first line, or I would say the first section and the third section, where there we have 12 syllables, this formula will be followed: Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, and Yagan. And in the even number of section, which is the second and the fourth section of Pushpitagra Chand, what we have? We have Najau Jaragascha. Najau Jarga. Najau means Nagan, Ja means Jagan, another Ja means Jagan, Ra means Ragan, and Ga actually stands for Guru. So it is something like, in short, if we have to summarize this, the characteristics, Then the Pushpitagra, the first line and the third line will have Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, Yagan. And then the second and the fourth line will have Nagan, Jagan, Jagan, Ragan, Ga. Ga is means actually standing for Guru. So for those who are not able to really understand, then please follow the next slide. Hmm. This is the next slide. Now this slide tells you about the first line of the Pushpitagra Chand as it is there in the Bhishma Stuti. Iti mati rup kal pita bitich vitrishna. So iti ma, E stands for Laghu or Guru. Can you identify this? E stands for Laghu and Guru.
Laghu, Prabhu.
Laghu.
Laghu.
Laghu. T stands for Laghu or Guru.
Laghu.
Laghu.
Laghu. Ma also Laghu.
Laghu.
Similarly, T is Laghu.
Laghu.
Ru is Laghu.
Laghu.
And Pa is Laghu. Right? Now,
Yeah.
Ka, what is Ka here?
That's a Laghu only. No?
Ka actually is Laghu, but it is preceded by a, a, a,
Oh.
a compound syllable.
Okay.
Sanyuktakshar.
Okay.
So Sanyuktakshar in itself is Laghu, but the syllable before the compound syllable actually becomes a Guru.
Guru.
So Ka becomes Guru, then this is actually Laghu, then Ta is Guru,
Guru.
V is Laghu, 3 is actually Laghu, but it is preceded by a compound syllable, so it becomes Guru. So this is Guru and this is Guru. Now this is the decoding of the Laghus and Gurus in the first line of this Bhishma Stuti verse. Now what the formula is Nagan, Nagan, Ragan and Yagan. Now what is Nagan? Nagan is the combination of either Laghu and Guru. Three syllable combination of Laghu or Guru. So Nagan in this formula, if you see Ya Mata Raj Bhan Salga. So Nagan comes somewhere here. Na. So Na, Sa, La. Na is Laghu, Sa is Laghu, La is Laghu. So Nagan actually stands for, if we have 3 Laghus, then it is Nagan. So this is Nagan. Then followed by another set of Nagan, 3 Laghus. Then what is Ragan? Ragan means one Guru, then one Laghu, and then Guru. Now Ragan means here Raj Bhan. Ra is Guru, Ja is Laghu, Bha is Guru. So Ragan actually is as Laghu, Guru, Laghu, and Guru. Similarly, Yagan. Yagan is Ya Mata, Laghu, Guru, and Guru. So I gave you this formula Yamata Rajbhan Salga to understand that what is the different ganas, or what is the combination of laghus and gurus in different ganas. So Yagan actually stands for Laghu, Guru, and Guru. So you see here in the end it is Laghu, Guru, and Guru. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? It has been a while that we have studied something on the chand, various different type of chandas. So can you recollect this? Are you able to follow it?
Especially this,
Hmm.
Yamata, you said, the last, Yamata Raja Bana Salaga. That is not clear. You said that is a formula, something like that,
Okay,
It's
let
not,
me take you to the last slide.
yeah.
This is the combination of Laghu and Guru.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
if you have to make combination of Laghu and Guru, there are 8 possible combinations we can make.
Correct.
Laghu, Guru, Guru. Then we have say if there are 2 gurus, what are the possibilities? 1 Laghu, 2 gurus, then 2 gurus, 1 Laghu, and then Guru, Laghu, Guru. So 1, 2, 3. These are 3 possibilities. Then if we have one possibility is all the 3 are gurus, then another possibility is all the 3 are Laghus. So total how many? 5. Total 5. Then there will be one combination where we will have 1 guru and 2 Laghus. So one guru, 2 Laghus, 1 guru, 2 Laghus, and one
Okay.
guru, two laghus. So total 8 combinations are possible.
Okay.
Hmm. Each of these combinations have been given a name. So
That is
this
it.
is Yagan, this is called Magan, this is called Tagan, this is called Ragan. Like this, they have been given a name.
For previous classes, you have given that.
Yeah, I have mentioned to you in the previous classes, but I'm just repeating it. So
Yeah.
each of these combinations have been given a name. Now, how do you remember whether Yagan is a combination of Laghu Guru Guru, or Magan is a combination of 3 gurus, or Tagan is a combination of 2 gurus, then followed by a Laghu? How do you remember then? Then there is a formula given, Ya Mata Raj Bhan Salga. How to apply this formula? So Ya stands for Yagan.
Okay.
So Yagan means Ya
Oh,
itself is Laghu,
okay. Okay.
Ma is Guru, and Ta is Guru. So Laghu Guru Guru. So Yagan you will see Laghu Guru Guru. Similarly, Ragan. Ragan is Rajbha. Rajbha means this is Guru, this is Laghu, and this is Guru. Guru, Laghu, Guru. So where is Ragan? Ragan is Guru, Laghu, Guru. Like this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Are you able to follow it now?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. No,
So
yes.
so it is Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, and Yagan. So Ayuji Nayuga Re Fato Yakaro. So this is how Pushpitagra Chand first section is explained in terms of characteristic. Now going to the second one, second line. Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni. Here Yuji means the even number even number section. It will be like Nagan, Jagan, Jagan, Ragan, and Guru. It is 13 syllable. So 13 syllable means you can make a set of 3 for the first 12 ones, but in the end there will be remaining one, which will be Guru. So similarly, it will be Nagan, which is 3 laghus. So you can see Bhagava, Laghu, 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 and then there will be Jagan, which will be Laghu, Guru, Laghu, Laghu, Guru, Laghu, and then there will be Jagan, again Jagan, Laghu, Guru, Laghu, Laghu, Guru, Laghu, and then Ragan, Guru, Laghu, and Guru, Guru, Laghu, and Guru, and then the last one is Guru, Hmm. like this. So is it clear? Is it clear or too complicated? Manish ji, any feedback?
हाँ प्रभु जी, आई एम जस्ट लर्निंग. थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, मे बी
Hmm.
रिक्वायर टू रिफ्रेश द अर्लियर
Correct.
classes actually.
Right. So you need to refresh the previous classes just to
Yes.
make sure that you follow
We
this.
have to refresh the previous classes.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
So, but this is how it is. So for each of these two lines, the odd number line and the even number line, there are different formulas. And once you, if you are able to understand these combination of laghus and gurus, you can understand the formula. But ultimately, we don't need to go into so much of detail. I'm just trying to explain. In case you want to go into detail, you have the reference available. Ultimately, what you need to identify is if it is 12, 13, 12, 13, it is Pushpitagra. And if it is Pushpitagra, how it has to be sung. Hmm. So that is
But
ultimately the main purpose.
so Prabhuji, is this only in the Bhishma Vacha it is said, or it will also come in the further references to this Pushpitagra Chanda?
So in canto number 1, in Bhishma Stuti, only so far I know that
Uh-huh.
Pushpitagra Chand has been used.
Okay, okay.
And if somebody asks you to sing this Bhishma Stuti, then sometime people are not able to do it because they don't understand the chand, they don't know the melody.
Mm-hmm.
इतिमति रूप कल्पिता वितृष्णा भगवती सात्वत पुंगवे विभुम्नि स्वसुखमुपगते क्वचिद्विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भवा प्रवाहा. So this is one way to sing it, and another way to sing it is Ayujina yugare phato yakaro. Iti mati rupakal pita vitrishna. Yuji chana jau jargascha pushpitagra. Bhagavati satvata pungave vibhumni. Iti mati rupakal pita vitrishna. Bhagavati satvata pungave vibhumni. Swasukhamupagate क्वचिद् विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भव प्रवाहा इति मतिरुपकल्पिता वितृष्णा भगवति सात्वतपुङ्गवे विभूम्नि स्वसुखमुपगते क्वचिद् विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भव प्रवाहा. Then the second way is iti mati rup kal uh, इति मतिरुपकल्पिता वितृष्णा भगवती सात्वत पुङ्गवे विभूम्नि स्वसुखमुपगते क्वचिद्विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भव प्रवाहा. Like this. So the long way you can sing is when you are singing it using maybe some mridanga, etc., or trying to sing it using some musical instrument uh, as a song. Then you can use the second one, and otherwise, if you are reading it, you simply want to recite it together in a group. Then you can use the other way to recite it, the shorter way to recite it. So, is it clear now?
Yes, Prabhu. Partly it's clear.
Yeah, so it will require some effort to remember them. It will require some effort to digest it. Once you know it, then it is not that difficult. The way to remember it, the way to understand it, the same as we have done in the previous meters. Okay, is it? Shall we conclude here? Okay. So this is a table that I have prepared here. In the end, I have added the Pushpitagra meter also. The length of this meter is 12 and 13. First section 12, the second section 13, third section 12, fourth section 13. That is the length. And stop means where you need to stop while recitation. So after the 12th syllable, you need to make a stop. Then after the 13th syllable, you once again need to stop. And this is the formula: Nagan, Nagan, Ragan, Yagan, Nagan, Jagan, Jagan, Ragan, and Guru. This is the small short formula for the meter. So this is all about Pushpitagra Chan. I hope that was useful to decode how to sing Bhishma Stuti. And in the next class, what we will do is we will try to practice reciting Bhishma Stuti prayers. Maybe we will cover up a few verses from Bhishma Stuti, and we will give opportunity to the devotees to sing Bhishma Stuti prayers in the melody that we have learned in the class today. So that will give you the practice also. I hope that that will cover up the Pushpitagra meter and the Bhishma Stuti prayers. So with that, all glories to Srimad Bhagavatam, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Any questions are there? Maybe we can address it now.
Only thing we have to practice, Prabhuji, based on that.
Yeah, so we will organize next Sunday. We will organize a session mainly to practice it, and we will request devotees to come prepare using this video. You may try to practice on your own, so that in the class you can make a good try. Otherwise, even if you don't come by practicing it, we will try to make sure that you practice in the class.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you very much for your patient hearing. with this, we conclude our session on Pushpitagra meter.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
Okay, Mataji. So that was Rita Mataji. Was that some
Yes.
of some relevance to you, some useful to you?
Prabhuji, actually, I joined slightly late, but I could
Haji.
understood some points, and I will again listen to the recording of this class again. I want to listen.
Yeah. So there is a playlist. There is a playlist on our YouTube channel about rules of Sanskrit meters. So
Okay.
in that playlist, there are 7-8 classes, 7-8 videos given. Those who have joined us new today, they can go through those videos. They are something like 15-20 minutes videos, and once you go through them, you will understand the science of Sanskrit meters. And once you understand that science, decoding Pushpitagra meter won't be a difficult job for you.
Prabhuji, this recording you will putting in the group.
I will share it with everyone. Yeah, I will share it with everyone. Let me make a
Thank,
note here. I will. Yeah.
thank you, Prabhuji.
Share recordings. Okay. Okay, ji.
Prabhuji,
So
playlist also share, please.
yeah, playlist का ही मैं link share करूँगा. That will give take you to the list of all the recordings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So now we will stop the recording for this.